this video, we demonstrate various ways to operate the crane using external control centers via the SET21 app and with a PS4 controller. Our EDK 750 is fully DCC compatible and can therefore be operated via all DCC control panels. Its movements are controlled normally via the function keys. The only disadvantage here is that the speed of the axles cannot be controlled. The functions F0 to F4 can be controlled using Motorola control centers. All functions up to F8 can also be reached via the subsequent address. This means that all crane movements can also be carried out in this way. However, the most convenient way to control the crane is certainly via the SET21 and our SET21 app. Once the crane is loaded from the locomotive database, all functions are available in the app. The control system then has its own control panel with 2 joysticks, allowing different speed levels for the various movements. Via the app, you can also control the crane with a PS4 controller. All you need to do is connect the controller to your tablet or smartphone via Bluetooth. To do this, simultaneously press and hold the share button on the PS4 controller and the PS4 button for approximately 10 seconds, until the LED on the controller starts flashing white. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device. The Bluetooth menu, which varies depending on the device type and operating system, allows you to connect to the PS4 controller. Back in the SET21 app, simply tap the controller icon to enable control. Multiple cranes can be controlled simultaneously. However, only the crane whose controller icon is enabled can be controlled by the PS4 controller. You can still use the app to simultaneously control other locomotives. Alternatively, you can also connect the controller via a Windows PC. This works from Windows 8 onwards. Download the EDK 750 controller tool from the SET21 website. If your computer supports Bluetooth, you can connect the PS4 controller. Put the PS4 controller back into pairing mode. Press the Windows key and enter Bluetooth in the search field. Open the Bluetooth menu and click on the plus symbol to add a new device. Then click on Bluetooth and select the controller. After a successful connection, the LED on the controller is illuminating constantly. Connecting with a USB cable couldn't be easier. Simply plug it in and you're all set. Open the controller tool and select the correct controller on the joystick. Make sure that the SET21 is connected to the PC via LAN cable or the router. Then click on Connect in the controller tool. The arrows show you which movement is activated in each joystick position. You can find a detailed overview in the Help tab. And now, we wish you lots of fun with your digital crane.